Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to mark videos as watched on YouTube TV. It's a handy feature to keep track of what you've seen and avoid rewatching the same content. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more useful tips and tricks. Okay, let's get started. Unfortunately, YouTube TV doesn't have a built-in mark as watched button like regular YouTube. However, there are still a few ways to manage your viewing history and effectively keep track of what you've watched. We'll go over a couple of methods. Method 1. Using the YouTube TV library. The first and most straightforward way is to utilize the YouTube TV library. The YouTube TV library automatically saves the shows and movies you've recorded from live TV or added from on-demand content. Once you watch a recording, it will generally appear at the bottom of your library, indicating you've likely already seen it. Simply navigate to your library tab within the YouTube TV app or website. Look for the shows or movies you've been watching. Those at the bottom of the list are usually the ones you've completed. Limitations. This method only works for content saved in your library. If you're watching something that isn't recorded or added, it won't be tracked this way. Method 2. Utilizing YouTube's watch history workaround. Since YouTube TV is integrated with your Google account, you can leverage your YouTube watch history as a general guide. This isn't perfect, but it's helpful, especially for on-demand content available on both platforms. Even if you watch something on YouTube TV, the activity can show up in your general YouTube watch history. This can help you remember what you've already seen. Open the YouTube app or go to youtube.com. Then navigate to History. You'll see a chronological list of videos you've watched. This might include the on-demand content you viewed on YouTube TV, especially if it's also available on regular YouTube. Limitations. This method isn't foolproof. Live TV recordings on YouTube TV won't show up in your standard YouTube watch history. It's really only useful for on-demand shows or movies available on both platforms. Method 3. Manual tracking, the old-fashioned way. Finally, the simplest, but perhaps most tedious method is to keep a manual list. Use a notepad, a notes app on your phone, or a spreadsheet to simply jot down the episodes or movies you've watched. Whenever you finish an episode or movie on YouTube TV, make a quick note of it. Limitations. Requires effort and diligence. It's easy to forget, and it's not automated at all. Conclusion. While YouTube TV lacks a dedicated mark as watched feature, these methods can help you manage your viewing experience. Using your library, leveraging YouTube's watch history for some content, and manual tracking are all viable options. Hopefully, YouTube TV will add a proper mark as watched feature in the future, but for now, these workarounds should suffice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using YouTube TV. Let us know in the comments which method you find the most useful. See you in the next video.